friends, it's Karen. I wanted to share with you a couple more tips on using the new SRM textile foil. This is got to be my favorite thing right now. It's very addicting, super easy. I'm just going to walk you through it real quick. This is a cute little St. Patrick's Day card that I made using my printer and a laminator and the textile foil. Super easy. What I basically do is, first of all, I find an image that I like. Here are a couple. This is what this looked like before I ran it through my laminator with the foil. Here is another design. I wish I could show you that card, but I already gave it to somebody, and the previous video that I did showing you somehow got deleted. But here is the negative part of it. I'll flip that over for you so that you can see I use this really nice copper or bronze color to create that card. Both of these two images I downloaded for free from the internet at svglove.com. I will link that up for you. But they've got some great images that you can use. So all I did was I put the images into my Word program on my computer, and I resized them so I could get them the size that I wanted, and I also made sure that they were the darkest color. So I think, you know, this was green on the image originally, and I just changed that in the picture tools and made that black because you want it to go black. Now, word about the printer. This is not a inkjet printer. This has to be a laser printer that uses toner. And I have a very inexpensive toner printer. It was less than $100, and it's been working great for this. And you need the toner because it's the toner that reacts, whoops, here we go, that reacts with the foil and makes the foil adhere to it. I'm going to show you how easily that's done. Here I printed out this smile image, and again I used my toner printer to do that. And here's a piece of foil that I cut down to size to make it easier to go through. Make sure that little smudge there doesn't. Alright, and this is just a piece of scrapbook or copy paper that I'm using just as a carrier, if you will. So I'm going to put this into my laminator. And while that's going through, let me show you. Again, this is the image that started out like this. And I ran it through just the same way I'm showing you right here. And it peels right off with the foil. And it has such a really nice, clean look to it. This is what it was. And you peel it off. So very easy. All the laminators are different, and this is a very inexpensive little laminator. I'm going to run it through twice on mine. You can experiment a little bit with what you have and see what works best. I also got from Susan at SRM a white foil, and I was wondering, oh, well, how am I going to use that? And what I did is I just experimented with this same smile on a piece of colored cardstock. Look how cute that is. Can't you imagine the possibilities with the white? That'll become a super cute card. Alright, I think we are ready, and I'm going to unfold. It's a little bit warm, so I'm just waving it off. You can kind of see it's already in there. Look how easy this is. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. How cute is that? Super easy. I've got a little card sitting right here. I'm going to put that on there, maybe add a few little sticker stitches and things, and it's going to be a super cute, super fast card to make with this foil. It comes in lots of different colors, very addicting, and if you have a laser printer or even access to a laser printer, so you could take your things to, you know, Kinko's or Staples or whatever and have them make you a copy with a toner copier, and it should work out the same, our toner printer. So super fun, Super easy. You got some great cards and a new addition to your foil techniquing. Thanks. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer them all. Thanks for watching.